Hi, this video tutorial explains how to use cPanel and Softaculous instant script installer located within the cPanel to install a WordPress installation on your server. So let's get started by entering your domain name up here. Your domain name would be whatever your domain name is, .com or .net, or whatever the extension is from your domain name, and then appended to that would be a colon and 2082, and that would give you access to your cPanel. So we're already here and we've entered our username, and then let's enter our password. Your username and password will be according to your installation and wouldn't be the same as ours. So take note of that, and then click enter your username and your password and click login. Okay, so here you are in your cPanel control panel. Scroll down to your Softaculous icon and click Softaculous under Software and Services. Now on this next page you will see blogs on the top left hand side, and if you scroll down and click WordPress, then your WordPress installation panel will come up, and you simply scroll up to the top and click Install. Now you're on the install page, so just leave HTTP : / as it is, unless you're installing on a secure socket layer site, and you most likely won't. But if you do, if you need to do that, then that option's available too. So your domain name should show up in the Choose Domain area, and then following that is your in directory. Now, if you have a name in here, it's going to create a separate directory which will be actually appended to your domain name right here. So this would actually look just like this if you had left that as it is, but we're going to remove that because we don't want people to have to type in WP in order to reach your domain. So let's remove that. Now when people type in just your address, they will reach your WordPress installation. If you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see the database name. You'll also see some table prefixes for your database that WordPress is going to create. Just leave those as they are. And then when you come down to site name, you can give that the name of your site, whatever you want to name it. I'm just going to name ours, for the sake of installation tutorial purposes, 123 ohm. And then for the description, I'm just going to type in this is ohm's site. Again, either one of these can be anything that you want them to be, and then also goes the same with your admin username and password. Those can be anything you want them to be as well. I'm going to leave admin as it is, and then just change the password to something a little more complicated, so we'll increase the security just a little bit. I'm going to enter our password here and give it something like that, and then now make sure that you have an email and it's activated in your control panel. You can control your emails and create emails in your cPanel under Mail. So this is already set up for us. We'll leave that as it is, and then here you can choose the language of your WordPress installation. We're going to leave this one as English, and then you can also have your details emailed to any email address that you wish. So you would just enter your email address here if you wanted to email the installation details to yourself or to someone else. So at this point we just click Install, and that should just take a second, and you're done. You should have your WordPress installation installed now. You wanted to make sure that you remember those passwords that you entered for your WordPress installation, so you'll be able to log into your WordPress administration panel, which is located right here. So take note of your WordPress administrative URL. We're just going to visit that and see if it installed correctly, and it did. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the username and the password just to make sure that everything went smoothly as it should. And we should end up in our dashboard, which we are. So everything installed correctly. I can log out of here now. Now let's visit the main site and make sure that it installed on the front end as well as the back end. So that just looks great. It's a brand new, fresh 2011 WordPress installation, and we've completed all steps required to install WordPress now. And you should have a working WordPress installation where you can log into the back and add everything you need to customize your own WordPress installation for your particular installation. So that concludes this tutorial, and we thank you for watching.